prices have really gone up, like on everything, right? Like food especially can be challenging to, get what you need. And a lot of times during the holidays, I'll recommend, different non-alcoholic drinks that you can make. But sometimes you need something that's just, tastes good and a little cheaper, right? You can't afford to, make the pina colada or whatever, get all that ingredients. I like to put lemon in my water. I do that anyway, just to give it a little, when I'm out at a restaurant and stuff like that. At home, no, I don't usually put lemon in my water, but when I go out to a restaurant to have something to drink, it's usually lemon in my water. But you can put any kind of fruit in your water, right? You can do some strawberries or some blueberries. You can make a sort of kind of mojito where you mash up the fruit, maybe add a little bit of mint, right? You can do that with soda water too, right? Have some soda water, put a little bit of mint and blueberries if that's helpful. But just to keep it really simple and keep it inexpensive, just some water and some fruit. It's healthy, and it's better than just drinking the same old things. I'm not a soda drinker, so I don't really drink soda that much. I'll have like a ginger ale, and with my ginger ale, I will, if I'm going to like a party or something like that, I will make a little makeshift mojito by mashing up some fruit and putting it in my ginger ale. Sometimes I'll add the mint if I have some, and it's pretty inexpensive, and you can make like a whole pitcher of it. Like if you go into a function, a cookout or something like that, just make like a whole pitcher of it. The mashed up fruit with the mint and the water or the ginger ale or whatever, combination of the two, right? And then you have a little bit of refresher that's different than just the same ordinary, water or even soda. If you drink a lot of soda, and you want something different, it helps too, because you're drinking something different when you go into a function and everybody's having drinks, right? So it can help, so you don't feel so kind of like out of place or different than other people. Just a helpful tip. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, a wonderful 4th of July. Remember to let the people that you love know that you love them. Send them that text, give them a call, give them a great big hug every chance you get. Live your life enthusiastically, live your life mindfully, and live your life with gratitude. I am so grateful for you, for being here and watching my videos all the time, being religious about it. I didn't mean religious, but you know what I mean. And until next time, please be well. Peace.